Greetings, dear brother. I am Krishna, the embodiment of love and compassion, known as the Supreme God in Hinduism. Peace be upon you, Krishna. I am Allah, the one God worshipped by Muslims, representing mercy and justice. It is an honor to meet you, Allah. Though our names and forms differ, I believe we both seek the well-being of humanity and strive for harmony among our devotees. Indeed, Krishna. While our followers may express their devotion in distinct ways, our essence lies in guiding them towards a path of righteousness and goodness. True. I have always taught the importance of selflessness, devotion, and detachment in the pursuit of spirituality. Our paths may diverge, but they can lead to the same destination, unity with the divine. And in Islam, we emphasize submission to the one God, compassion for fellow beings, and a commitment to justice and fairness. Our goal is to create a world where people coexist in peace and respect. Your teachings and the principles of Islam are admirable, Allah. The world would undoubtedly benefit from more love, compassion, and understanding among its inhabitants. I feel the same way, Krishna. In the diversity of beliefs and practices among humans, there lies an opportunity for mutual learning and appreciation. Precisely. Instead of focusing on our differences, let us encourage our followers to seek common ground and work together for the betterment of humanity. Agreed, Krishna. Let us inspire them to transcend their prejudices and misconceptions, promoting unity and understanding among all people. As divine beings, our influence can guide them towards a more profound realization of the interconnectedness of all souls. Indeed. And by fostering love and respect, we can help them overcome ignorance and fear, paving the way for a world where peace and harmony reign. It warms my heart to share this conversation with you, Allah. May our divine wisdom be a source of solace and enlightenment for all. May it be so, Krishna. Let us continue to shower our blessings upon all beings, inspiring them to live with compassion and kindness. Remember, this is a fictional dialogue meant to highlight the shared values of love, compassion, and understanding that many religious teachings espouse. In the real world, it's essential to approach interfaith discussions with respect and open-mindedness to foster meaningful conversations and promote harmony among different religious communities.